Take your book page. Do you have your books now?
Yes.
Teacher, which page number?
Page number is 15. Take out page number 15. Can you see the page?
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
can you see the screen sharing?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now this is unit number 3, lesson number 2. What we have to do is, what's the question number 1? What's the problem? Talk about the pictures. These pictures are given as we have done previously on page number 14. Pictures were given and some helping words were also given, and we had made sentences. Same we have to do with these pictures. Only pictures are given, there are no words given. We have to make sentences on our own. Sentence number 1 for picture number 1 is also given. Number 1 picture is the bike has a flat tire. Look at the picture. Page number 15, the bike has a flat tire. Just a minute. Okay, so look at picture number 2. It is a hand burnt. So sentence is given, I have burnt my fingers. If you have space on your books, you can write the sentences on your books, or you can write it down in your rough copies. Okay? If you have books, then you can write it down on your books. Yes, Alifia?
Teacher, we have to write with pen.
No, use pencils on your books.
Okay.
Yes, Mubara?
Teacher, can we write it in our neat copies?
You have to write it down in your neat copies, but not now. Now you have to just write it down on your books with pencils or on your rough copy.
Okay, teacher.
Because you can, if there is a chances of mistake, so it is not possible that you can write directly on your copies. Okay? Okay, now look at picture number 3. It is a window broken. So what you will write? I have broken a window. How you will write? I have, I apostrophe V or E. ऐसे लिखना है I have. जैसे look it here in your book. I have burnt my fingers. Same, you have to write, I have broken a window. Can you see the zoom one picture? Mubara,
Yes,
is the
teacher.
picture clear now? Zoomed picture is clear now. Can you read the sentence?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Please everyone note it down from this picture. I have zoomed in. I have broken a window. And picture number 4 is I have torn my shirt. Those who are joining late, it is page number 15 of your books and we are doing question number 1. I have broken a window is sentence number 3 and I have torn my shirt is sentence number 4. Now come to this picture, picture number 5. These CDs are scratched. So what you will write, I have scratched CDs. I have scratched CDs. Look at picture number 6. This is a bowl. So what you will write, I have cracked this bowl.
टीचर फोर्थ वाला सेंटेंस क्या था वो मेरे माइक का इशू मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही आप क्या बोल रही हैं
Fourth one is I have torn my shirt. Tear
Okay,
का
teacher.
third form torn. T-O-R-N torn. I have torn my shirt.
Done, teacher.
Okay, and fifth one, I have scratched 2 CDs. I have scratched 2 CDs. Done.
Yes, teacher.
And sixth one, I have cracked this bowl. I have cracked this bowl. Okay, number 7. Look at number 7. I have bent my glasses. I have bent my glasses. Done, everyone. I have bent my glasses. Number 7. My trainers are worn out. They have got holes in them. These are trainers, shoes trainers, which are used for training. My trainers, T-R-A-I-N-E-R-S, trainers. My trainers are worn out, W-O-R and worn out. They have, they के बाद apostrophe and ve, apostrophe ve. They apostrophe ve. They have got holes in them. Yes, Fatma.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Walaikum assalam.
Teacher, I joined the class late. Where are we?
We are on page number 15. And we have almost done question number 1. So you can start join us from question number 2. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now question number 2, you have to do it very carefully, class. As we have done these sentences by what the problems we have written, now we have to give advice for these sentences. Like we have done previously on from page number 14 also. We had written down the problem and we had also given the advice. So now for same is the case, some phrases are given to us like throw away, replace, mend, buy, bend, repair, pump up, put under the cold tap. These are phrases, and while using these phrases we have to give advice to these pictures. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes, beta.
question number 2 is on copy.
Gee, sorry.
Question number 2 is on copy.
Question number 1 and 2 both are on copies, but right now you have to there is no place here, so you can write it down in your rough copies. Please note down these answers in your rough copy. Don't just write directly on your neat copies. You can make mistakes. Okay. Alifia, did you get my point? You don't just write directly on your classwork copies, neat copies, as there's a chances you can make mistakes while writing. So please just, there is a less space on your books. So write down the answers of this question number 2 on your rough copy. Or if you can make space on your books, you can write answers on books as well. Yes, Fatma.
Teacher, is question number 1 on book?
I can't hear you properly.
Is question number 1 on book?
Repeat it again. Question number 2. We are doing question number 2.
Teacher, question number 1 is on book?
Question number 1 is on book. Yes. And question number 2 is you have to write it down on your copies. But right now, if you have space on your book, you can write sentences on books or on your rough copy. When I will send you homeworks, then you will note it down on your classwork copies. Okay?
Okay.
टीचर
Yes, beta.
वो नहीं भेजा नोट्स काम करने के लिए
Sorry, I didn't get you.
फिर नोट्स काम करने के लिए वो आए नहीं
What are you saying, Usman?
टीचर वो नोट जिसमें पहले से ही काम हुआ होता है हमने कॉपी करना होता है
You will get that one in some days.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now just see. Work in pairs to give advice using these phrases. Number one is throw away. So what you will write? No. Number one was bike. Bike wala tha number one. So what we have given what we will give advice. If I were you, comma, if, please listen to me very carefully. इसमें कोई mistake नहीं करनी. Just listen to me very carefully. मैं एक sentence को 2 times repeat करूंगी. And then you can write it down. ठीक है? If I were you, W-E-R-E, were you, comma, I would कैसे लिखना है? I और D लिख देना है और ऊपर apostrophe लगा देनी है. I apostrophe D. I would repair it. प्रॉब्लम क्या थी? My bike has a flat tire, जो हमने सेंटेंस ऊपर लिख लिया था. And what we are giving the solution and advice. If I were you, comma, please put commas properly as I am saying. If I were you, comma, I would. How you will write I would? I और apostrophe डाल के D, repair it. Yes, Usman.
टीचर मैंने ना लेट ज्वाइन की है, तो टीचर पहले क्या काम किया था?
We are on page number 15. Question number 1 is done. We have to make sentences for these pictures. We have to tell what is the problem with these pictures. वो हमने कर लिया है. Now, how we will solve these problems? We have to give advice for that. For example, number 1 sentence हमने लिखा था, my bike has a flat tire. तो इसकी हमने advice क्या दी है? If I were you, I would repair it. तो आप अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 को रहने दो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के जो मैं एडवाइजेस लिखवा रही हूँ सेंटेंसेस में, वो लिख लो.
ओके.
ओके. Number 1, I have said, if I were you, I would repair it. Yes, Mubara, unmute yourself.
टीचर ये हम किस वर्ड का सेंटेंस बना रहे हैं?
जी सॉरी, किसके?
टीचर ये हम किस वर्ड का सेंटेंस बना रहे हैं?
ये रिपेयर, सी रिपेयर.
ओके टीचर.
ओके
टीचर
जी.
बाकियों के नहीं
बनाने हैं. आई एम टेलिंग यू वन बाय वन. ये तो अभी सेंटेंस नंबर 1 बताया है मैंने आपको. We will write sentences of all these phrases which are given in your book. ठीक है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 sentences we will be doing today. Yes, Fatma, unmute yourself. Fatma.
Teacher, what are the spellings of repair?
R-E-P-A-I-R. R-E-P-A-I-R. Done?
Yes, teacher, thank you.
Okay. Please see, these words are given in question number 2. Throw away, replace, mend, buy, bend, repair, pump up, put under the coal tap. We have to use these phrases in our sentences. So हमने first start किया है from repair, which is in second line. Now second, look at picture number 2. I have burnt my fingers. It is about burning and fingers. So what advice we will give? If I were you, I would put them under the cold tap. If I were you, comma, if I were you, comma, I would कैसे लिखोगे? Would पूरा नहीं लिखोगे. You will not write WOULD. Would I के बाद apostrophe and then D. I would put them under the cold tap.
Teacher, which
Unmute
sentence
yourself.
it is?
क्या?
Which sentence it is?
Beta, it is sentence number 2. क्या हो गया? We have done sentence number 1 and now we are doing sentence number 2.
Teacher, what is sentence number 1?
Alifia, where were you when I was telling sentence number 1? Were you not listening?
Teacher, I was not in class.
Sorry?
I was not in class.
Okay, just wait. I will tell you sentence number 1 at the end. Okay, now just start from sentence number 2.
Okay.
ठीक है, I am repeating sentence number 2 again. Just listen to it. और sentence number 1 मैं end पे repeat करूंगी. Sentence number 2 is I have burnt my, sorry, if I were you, Usman, better write it down on your book if you have space, or you can write it down on your rough copy. And once I will send your homework, then you will write it down in your classwork copy. Abhi classwork copy pe nahi likhna, just write it down on your books if you have space. Sentence number 1, sentence number 2, if I were you, comma, I would put them under the cold tap. If I were you, I would put them under the cold tap. Look at picture number 3. It is about broken window. So what advice we will give? If I were you, comma, if I were you, comma, I would replace the glass. If I were you, I would replace the glass. Now look at picture number 4 on question number 1. Picture number 4 is about torn t-shirt. So what advice we will give? If I were you, comma, I would mend it. M-E-N-D, mend, I-T, it. If I were you, I would mend it. I would कैसे लिखना है? You all know. I के बाद apostrophe and then D. And I will be capital. Okay, Abdullah, wait, I am just unmuting you. 1 minute. Yes, beta.
Teacher,
जी,
Please repeat the sentence number 3.
if I were you, comma, I would replace the glass. Done?
Yes.
Okay. Filza, check your audio, please, because everyone can hear me. Syed Ifham, kindly please tell me the answer of 3 and 4. Okay. Ifham, number 3 is, if I were you, I would replace the glass. If I were you, I would replace the glass. Unmute yourself, Abdullah. And number 4 is, if I were you, I would mend it. If I were you, comma, I would mend it. Yes, Abdullah. I can't hear you, Abdullah. Abdullah, can you hear me? I can't hear you, Abdullah. Send me in chat what you are saying. Okay, only 10 minutes are left, so hurry up. Sentence number 5. If I were you, I would throw them away. The CDs are scratched, so what advice we are giving? If I were you, comma, I would throw them away. Sentence number 5. If I were you, I would throw them away. No, this is question number 2 we are doing. Ifam, this is question number 2.
Teacher, please repeat question number 5. I mean,
Question number
the
5
5.
is the advice. If I were you, I would throw them away. If I were you, I would throw them away.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay. मुबर्रा, अभी आप sentence number 1 पे हो? Okay, sentence number 1 for this is Alifia. You also noted down sentence number 1 you were asking. If I were you, comma, I would repair it. If I were you, comma, I would repair it. Okay, now come to sentence number 6. The picture is, these are broke cracked bowls. So what advice we will give? If I were you, I would buy a new one. Cracked bowls. If I were you, comma, I would buy a new one. If I were you, comma, I would buy a new one. Now please look at picture number 7. It is bent glasses. So what advice will you give? If I were you, comma, I would bend them back again. BEND bend आएगा. If I were you, comma, I would bend them back again. I am repeating sentence number 7 of question number 2. If I were you, comma, I would bend them back again. And look at the last picture, the trainees that are worn out and have holes. So what advice will you give of sentence number 8? If I were you, comma, if I were you, comma, I would throw them away because they are having holes in it. So if I were you, I would throw them away. Now, if anyone wants me to repeat any sentence, they can ask. Question number 3 and question number 4 is for your homework. You have to read these sentences, and whatever right options you people feel, you can put circle on it. And you have to use and then we will compare your answers in next class. Okay? Question number 3 is for your homework. These are choose the correct answer. You have to circle the correct answer by reading these sentences, and everyone's answer will be different. So we will work in pairs and compare your answers on next class. Unmute yourself, Olivia.
Teacher, only question number 3 is our homework.
Yes, question number 3 is homework. Yes, Fatma.
Teacher, please repeat the last sentence.
Okay, last sentence. If I were you, comma, I would throw them away. Done.
Yes,
If
teacher.
I were you, I would throw them away.
Done, teacher.
Okay. Okay, now homework for copies is question number 1 and 2. Question number 1 and 2, you will write it down on your copies. Please mention unit number and lesson number. And question number 3 is homework for your book. Question number 3, आपने books पे ही करना है. Choose the correct answer. And question number 1 and 2, you will write it down on your classwork neat copies. Yes, chapter number 1 का जो homework I have given you, that you can write it down on your copies, Abdullah. Abdullah, only the homework which I have given you in your homework, that you can do it on your classwork copy of chapter number 1. I'm saying only to Abdullah. So if you have any question, you can ask me right now regarding this or regarding your homework. Your today's homework is, I'm repeating it again, question number 1 and 2 on classwork copies and question number 3 on your books. Circle the correct answer of your own choice, which you feel is right for you. Unmute yourself, Usman.
टीचर ये वीडियो यूट्यूब पे आएगी?
Yes, beta. Any other question? Do your homework very neatly. What are you saying, Abdullah? If you have done chapter number 1 homework on your copy, that's fine. I will check it when I will get your copy. I'm giving you homework of this unit number 3 and lesson number 2. Please note it down that now you have